These days, security and privacy are always issues, so I decided to go with this new RFID isolating bag. So this has an RFID stopper material. As you can see, it's a standard bag. This is my Samsung S24 Ultra, and this is the size. It's going to hold your oh, I see there's a piece of foam in there for packaging. It's a nylon interior. It's all sewn and hemmed. There's a bunch of different places here, a little pouch, a couple of slanted pockets here. Then this is a sideways pocket for cards. Then there's a larger pocket here. Now the RFID part is on the outside here. So there's plenty of room on the inside for your cards, for your phone, and then for, of course, your passport. I think this is probably designed for passport more than anything. And this way you can keep all of that stuff secure with the RFID block. That's why I bought it. Hope this helps.